10. Sing it loud and let's do it again. Counting by tens, it's fun and neat. Come on kids, let's take a seat. 10 times this and 10 times that. Multiplying 10 is where it's at. Step by step the numbers rise. Let's keep going, it's no surprise. Wow, you're doing awesome! Let's see how high we can go with the table of 10. 10 ones are 10, that's easy to see. 10 twos are 20, come sing with me. 10 threes are 30, we're moving along. 10 fours are 40, just like this song. 10 fives are 50, we're on a roll. 10 sixes are 60, let's reach our goal. 10 sevens are 70, clap your hands. 10 eights are 80, it's simple to understand. 10 nines are 90, getting near. 10 tens are 100, loud and clear. Let's repeat the table, it's easy to do. Sing it with me and we'll get through. 10 ones are 10. 10 twos are 20. 10 threes are 30. 10 fours are 40. 10 fives are 50. 10 sixes are 60. 10 sevens are 70. 10 eights are 80. 10 nines are 90. 10 tens are 100. 10 times this and 10 times that. Multiplying 10 is where it's at. Step by step the numbers rise. Let's keep going, it's no surprise. You've learned the table and now you know. With the table of 10 you're ready to go. Keep practicing and you'll be great. Multiplying 10 is always first rate.
Let's learn and play together. Do subscribe for more amazing videos.